Are you tired of inefficiencies in your work processes? Looking for ways to boost productivity and work faster? Introducing workflow management software, the solution you've been waiting for. Here's how it helps. With workflow management software, project managers can easily monitor and track the tasks and activities performed by team members through. A robust workflow management software provides features for seamless task assignment and coordination. It helps you to. Workflow management software offers a centralized platform for tracking progress and monitoring deadlines. It helps you to. Workflow management software helps project managers allocate resources based on project requirements and team availability. It assists in. Gain valuable insights into your workflow with workflow management software. Explore a range of reports, including identify bottlenecks, address issues promptly, and achieve faster project delivery and higher client satisfaction. Ready to supercharge your workflow? Introducing Workstatus, the ultimate workflow management software that helps you maximize productivity. With its feature, Workstatus empower you to course correct your workflow and improve employee performance. Begin your journey today. Book Workstatus free trial now. Thank you for watching.